Hey there, cookie lovers! Are you ready to embark on a delicious journey? Get ready for the easiest, yummiest peanut butter cookies ever. These cookies are not just tasty, but also incredibly simple to make. These little bites of happiness are perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a cozy family gathering or a festive celebration, they fit right in. Whether it's a rainy day treat or a party favorite, these cookies will disappear faster than you can say peanut butter. Trust me, they are that good. They are so simple to whip up, even if you're a baking newbie. No need to be a pro to enjoy these delightful treats. We're talking just a handful of ingredients and a foolproof method. You won't believe how easy it is to create something so delicious. So, grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get baking. It's time to fill your home with the wonderful aroma of freshly baked cookies. Are you ready for the best part? You probably already have most of these ingredients in your pantry. No special trips to the store needed. Let's gather our baking buddies and get started. Baking is always more fun when shared with loved ones. Let's make some memories and delicious cookies together. Before we start our cookie adventure, let's round up our delicious ingredients. 1 cup creamy peanut butter, the star of the show. Half a cup granulated sugar, for sweetness. Half a cup packed brown sugar, for chewiness. 1 large egg, our binder. And 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, for that warm, cozy flavor. See? I told you it was simple. Now let's get those mixing bowls ready and head to the next step. All right, baking superstars, let's make some magic happen. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious peanut butter cookies. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 190 degrees Celsius for my friends across the pond. This step is crucial to ensure our cookies bake evenly. Now, grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. This simple step will save you a lot of hassle later on. This will keep our cookies from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. No one likes scrubbing off stuck-on cookie bits. In a large bowl, combine the peanut butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. These ingredients are the foundation of our cookie dough. Cream them together using a mixer until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is key to achieving that perfect cookie texture. Now, crack in that egg and add the vanilla extract. These will add richness and depth to our cookie flavor. Mix it all up until everything is well combined. Make sure there are no streaks of egg or vanilla left. Don't you just love that cookie dough smell? Almost there. The aroma is just a preview of the deliciousness to come. Section 4. Time for the grand finale. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, the culmination of our baking adventure. Now, scoop out rounded tablespoons of cookie dough and place them on your prepared baking sheet. Make sure each scoop is even to ensure uniform baking. Leave a little space between each cookie so they have room to spread their wings. Well, not really wings, but you get the idea. This spacing helps them bake evenly and prevents them from merging into one giant cookie. Here's a fun part. Use a fork to gently press down on each cookie, creating that classic crisscross pattern. This not only gives them a traditional look, but also helps them bake more evenly. Pop those beauties into the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they're golden brown and utterly irresistible. Keep an eye on them to avoid overbaking. While the cookies are baking, your kitchen will be filled with the most heavenly aroma. The scent of peanut butter and sugar will make it hard to wait. Once they're done, take them out of the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them firm up and develop that perfect texture. Section 5. Cookie Monster approved. Congratulations, baking rock stars. You've just created the most amazing peanut butter cookies. They're crispy on the edges, chewy in the middle, and bursting with peanut butter flavor. Now, pour yourself a glass of milk, grab a cookie, or 2 or 3, and savor the moment. Don't forget to share the recipe with your friends and family. After all, everyone deserves a taste of peanut butter cookie heaven. Happy baking!